Hey there, foodies and Uber Eats enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your delivery experiences smoother. Today, we're tackling how to rate an Uber Eats driver in 2025. With updates rolling out every year, rating your driver has become even more impactful for both you and the delivery pros. So, let's dive right in and make sure you're doing it like a pro. First off, why should you bother rating? Well, in 2025, Uber Eats has ramped up its feedback system to improve driver performance and enhance your overall experience. A quick rating can help drivers get better tips, bonuses, and even personalized training. Plus, it takes less than a minute. Talk about a win-win. Alright, let's get to the steps. Start by opening the Uber Eats app on your phone. If you're on iOS or Android, make sure it's updated to the latest 2025 version for new features like voice ratings. Once you're in, head over to your Order History tab. It's usually at the bottom of the screen. Scroll through your past orders and tap on the one you want to rate. This will bring up the order details. Now, look for the Rate Your Driver button, which might pop up automatically or be under a Feedback section. You'll see a star rating system from 1 to 5. Tap to select your stars. For example, 5 stars for an on-time, friendly delivery, and 1 for something that went wrong. But wait, there's more. In 2025, you can now add voice notes or quick emojis to give more detailed feedback. Don't forget to include a short written comment if you want. Be honest but kind, as this directly affects the driver's profile. A few pro tips to keep in mind. Always rate based on the driver's performance, not the restaurant's food. If there was an issue, like a late delivery, explain it clearly to help Uber improve. And remember, positive ratings can lead to faster service next time. There you have it. That's how you rate an Uber Eats driver in 2025. It's simple, quick, and makes a big difference. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your own experiences. Thanks for watching, and happy eating.